Kugcine kumengezeliwe ukuthi uFloyd uthole isikhundla sokuba uNational Organizer kuMkhonto weSizwe. Bathi kwasona lesikhundla sitholile uFloyd sikhulu kakhulu futhi simfanele ngoba uyakwazi ukuyikhulumela. Bese kube uFikile Mbalula-ke. NoFikile Mbalula bathi bayamsola ukuthi vele ngathi ayimthokozisi le ndaba ukuthi benze uFloyd i-National Organizer yeMkhonto weSizwe. Baneshow futhi ukuthi uyafisa ngisho ukuphawula ngalolu daba.
So guys, idlule njalo ke press briefing of the MKP. Floyd Shivambu, the EFF ex-DP, he's now the MKP National Organizer. Technically, he's more like National Organizer, is more like the president, but not the official president. Yeah, if I can put it in that way, because the reason maybe they put it to Floyd Shivambu as the National Organizer, Ubaba remaining the president, even though he doesn't go to the parliament. Obviously, Floyd, guys, he can articulate the politics. If I can put it in a simple term, Floyd, he can articulate the revolution because of like Floyd has Kulumela, guys. This guy SG, Batungubanje, Sfiso Maseko, they must never allow this guy to speak because of like this guy. He's not good in the public speaking. He was reading the speech Sagababa. I think like speechless, it was on font number 30 and then it was about like 30 pages. This guy is not good, let's be honest, ne? I'm definitely sure with the Ufikile Mbalula la khona, he's looking for something, or he's looking for somebody ukuthi ambuze ukuthi what does he think about Floyd being the national organizer of the MKP. Definitely Ufikile Mbalula, he wants to comment on this matter. So yeah guys, idlule kanjalo, but okunye that was so interesting to me when they were announcing the top 8 of the MKP. There was this phrase bebayisebenzisa bathi qala kubaba. When we are like greeting the people qala kubaba, you must start from the president. Ubaba uJacob Gedle Ihlekisa Jikjela Mkhonto Zuma qala kubaba. Maybe I should print a t-shirt and say qala kubaba. I don't know. One thing that make me to be worried about this top 8, especially even the team that they've announced ukuthi kuzoba ngiyo ethatha ama decisions of the MK. Guys, the gender equality. Like I'm very worried about the gender equality. Like they didn't balance the number. If you can look at the EFF it's a 50-50. 50% women, 50% men. The gender equality of the MKP, it was not balancing for me. Like that one, it was also a red flag to me. And then Futi, the other thing that I see, Guti, this is a strategy as a collective movement between the EFF and the MKP to move Floyd from the EFF to the MK. From the EFF to the MK. It's just a collective strategy. And then Futi, I saw John Shope, he was mentioning Guti, one of the person that is sharp like a razor, it's Floyd Shivambu. So I think going forward on the press briefing or media briefing of the MKP, obviously, Floyd, he will be the one that will be in charge, and then taking us the question, because like guys, that question that they asked Floyd Uguti, he can't answer for the MK. He will answer once he's on the other side. Guys, he articulated that question very well. One thing about Floyd that you must understand, Uguti, he can articulate. People from the EFF, guys, go EFF, I will not pugu pugu. Mina, I don't want to tell you a lie. Go EFF asiko is pugu pugu, and people in EFF, they understand the politics very well. Yeah, national chairperson is Nkosinathi Nhleko. Remember Nkosinathi Nhleko, he's one of the ex-former police minister of the ANC between 2014. Yeah, between 2014, I'm not sure up until when, I think 2018. Meanwhile, President Zuma was still the president of Republic of South Africa. Nkosinathi Nhleko was the police minister. And Nkosinathi Nhleko is one of the people that protected Ubaba Guti. He must not pay back the money. You understand? So now, on the MKP, they selected him as the national chairperson of the Umkhonto weSizwe political party. Yeah. Sazokhala, what do you think about this top 8 and Floyd being the national organizer? Technically, he's a commander-in-chief. It's just that ukuthi abafuna ukumupha those powers. Yecashe ngicoshe.